Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. So, you may have noticed that there's been a lack of content on my channel lately. I was posting about 2 to 3 videos per week, and I've been in the process of moving the last 2 months, and there's definitely a lot that goes into that situation as far as getting the house ready for sale and then moving into a new residence. So you can imagine that I've been pretty tied up lately. So right now, I'm in the process of moving in fully to the new address. I have a room that I will be converting into a modeling room. However, because of the current situation in the world, I'm not sure exactly when that's going to be happening. I'm hoping to maybe get that, in about a month or so. But in the meantime, I wanted to put an update out because I just wanted to thank everybody for their support. And I recently went over 600 subscribers. I wanted to put a video out for 500, but again, I've been pretty busy. So I just want to thank you for that and let you know that I haven't gone anywhere. I'm just got some changes going on in my life, which are positive changes, and I'm very excited about them. And just thank you for all of the support over the past year that I've been making videos. And I was looking through my video library, and the first video that I ever made was for this guy right here, this 172nd Airfix Spitfire. And it's kind of cool. I'm doing the 148th Spitfire by Tamiya right now. So it's kind of like a revisit to this particular subject. And this one's cool because it's got the black and white wings, the early version of the Spitfire. And just looking back at that first video that I made, definitely was in my infancy as far as making videos. And I'm certainly got a ways to go still, but really enjoyed making that and enjoyed sharing the process of one of my passions in life, which is building models. And it's something that certainly has helped me over my lifetime deal with certain things. And I just, especially during this time of uncertainty and all the challenges that we're facing as a society and as a people, to have something to put your time into, to take your mind off things. And just a really great hobby. I've always been very passionate about wanting to share that. So again, thank you for all of the support. Thank you for all of the comments, good and bad. It's been great to read those and to respond and to form some new friendships on here. So with that being said, I really appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Hopefully I can get another one done, somewhat soon. I got to be somewhat creative since I don't have a proper working space yet, but I will be putting that together in the future, and it should be new and improved. So very, very excited for the future. So thanks again. Appreciate the support, and I'll talk to you soon.